Please, stay there. Please, don't come, please. Please, I have a program, please. What is this? No, please. Hi, how are you?
Sell my gold, I don't have money.
Pardon?
Sell my gold.
How old is it? How you selling? Is it gold?
Yes.
Are you from India? Where are you from?
Sell, no money, the gas.
Oh, is it? You need gas?
Yes, no money, the food, the gas, anything.
Oh,
gas.
you don't have gas. You need gas?
No money, the food.
Food to eat?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have food?
No have money, little money.
How much is it?
150 I give.
100?
Yes, magazine is 600, 150.
Is this gold?
It's real, look. You have money?
No. Is it gold?
Yes, look. You have money?
Yeah, I have money.
Give
money.
me the look.
I have money. I have a lot of money.
Give
Where
me
is
the
your
look.
man?
Give me the look, you have money.
No. Come here. Don't come here. Come here. Where is your husband?
I speak, you sell, no husband. Very problem, my husband. You interest my husband.
No,
You sell my gold. Interest gold.
No, honey, I asked you. I said to you.
My husband. What problem, my husband?
Where's your? No. I see you pregnant. I see you family woman. I see
He
you.
have family, he have. I sell no money, the gas. Give you my gold.
Okay, I give you. I support you, but I don't need your. But I will support you.
God bless you, the family. God bless you.
Allah say Allah bless you.
God bless you.
Allah say Allah bless you.
Allah pick you short.
Bless you.
God bless you.
Say Allah bless you.
Allah bless you.
Yes. Okay. I will give you all that money I have in my pocket, okay? That is from me. All this money you see, it is for you. It is for you. All of that. Everything in my pocket is for you. Okay? I don't need your gold. Keep it. May Allah bless you. You are a woman, you are pregnant. But you lost.
Alim,
No, keep
give
it.
me 100.
Please keep it. I don't need it, please. Thank you. Take the money. Keep the gold. And thank
You
you.
have the kids, the car, go to Stomach, Miley, go to
I
Miami.
gave you all the money I have in my pocket. I swear Allah, I gave you everything. You see my wallet's empty? You see my wallet's empty? I gave you everything I have.
You have this money.
No, I don't have anything. I'm not lying to you.
Barry, you have this.
You see?
This. Look,
Take it, please.
give me please the gas, the food. You have the two children, the
Where are you
car.
from? India?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Mursuman.
Mursuma, where is that?
Yes.
Where is that?
Look,
No, I'm asking you, Mursuma, where is that?
it's Mursum.
Where is that?
My papa,
Where you come from? Which country?
he come tourist.
You come tourist?
Yes.
Which country?
I no speak English, no speak.
Okay, is it India or next to India or
No India.
which country?
My papa Mursuman. Look.
Please keep it. Please, thank you. Please, thank you.
Alim will give you my watch.
You're beautiful, please. Thank you. Please. Allah bless you. I help you, please. Stay there, please. Don't come, please. Please, I have a program, please. What is this? No, please keep it, please.
Give me 100, please.
Let me tell you one thing. I am a peaceful man. I don't like problems. I'm a peaceful man. I don't like problems.
Give me 100 watch.
I don't want to buy, but I helped you, okay? I helped you, right? Some men, they don't give you. Some men, they ask you, they tell you, I will give you money, but let me...
Give me 100 watch.
Come, let me tell you one thing.
Give me 100
Look,
watch for the kids.
Okay, let me tell you one thing.
What?
Let me tell you one thing. Okay, I will give you another. Okay, now almost you have...
Yes.
Maybe you have $20.
God bless.
Maybe you have $20. I will give you another 20. But look, let me tell you one thing. Take, I gave you everything I have. You see that
God
also?
bless you.
Okay, you have $40. Okay, let me tell you one thing. A lot of men here in this country, when a woman, beautiful woman like you comes to them, they ask for prostitution, fornication. They ask her, can I have sex with you? I'm not that type. I'm a Muslim. Just the only thing I believe.
God bless you, the family.
Listen to me. They ask the woman prostitution. They ask her sex. Can I have sex with you? I give you the money. That's what they tell them. But I'm not asking you. I'm not misusing you because you need gas, you need food. I'm not asking you, come on, can I use your body? Can I have sex with you? I'm not asking you that. No. I'm treating you like my mother. I'm treating you like my sister. I'm treating you like my daughter.
Thank you, bye.
Say thanks to Allah. Say thanks to Allah.
Thank you, Allah.
Yes, thank you. marka cad bay naga soo raadsanaysaa hadii la ku leedahay keen lacagkeed war meel walba naag baa la ii soo dirahayaa bal ka warrama idinku aye meel walba naag baa la ii soo dirahayaa bal ka war ilaahay baan idinku dhaarshay Soomaaliyay taraag stop ba hatta yani waxay maraysaa awal shirqoolkii shiikhaal iyo absaday ahayd telefoon lala cararay ahayd hadda waxay maraysaa harka cad naga dhilooyin in la ii soo diro ama kuwa masaakiin saakay dhigay na ordiga way soo wareegaysaa ka war borsayirta inay qabsato waa waray wuu qabsaday inay dheerta ka war warniyo ilaahay live kan wax badan baa ilaahay ugu badbaadiyay niman yahow aan idin sheegay ilaahay live kan shar badan baa ilaahay iga dhajay TV-ga caalamiga aad u jeedaan ilaahay wax badan buu iga badbaashay wallahi maana baan idin sheegay rag fara badan chance kan oo kala aday haysan naya iskala war bay dhahayaan iskala war shilkan ku siiyay ama gaarigu la galaya nagtu ka guraya inni akhafu Allah rabbal alamin ilahi baan ka cabsanaya wa rajulun da'athu imra'atun dhatu mansabin wa jamalin faqala inni akhafu Allah min ay haweenay tiri hayta laka quruxlay ayirna ilahi baan ka cabsanaya inni akhafu Allah ya igu hortaagan inta ka haysta aan hotelka waraya aan la galo nagta ka guro إلهي بان كعبسنا يا إني أخاف الله رب العالمين وأنا سيئي إلهي يا ترسي ربي يوم مركز سحر هندي سحر وضته شيخال سحر وضته بين وضته مركز شيخال وحي مريسا إلي مركز عنيا اللوين يصدرته حالا أركي سنة أفريكان أمريكان ناس يضبور ميلو قرصنا يصير لا يصدري حدا دو تشهدان ولا يقول ده بتشري أمريكا خياري يا والله بالله ده بيو بريك لنا كقحوي بريك وين كقح صاحب يالو وحنا حال ما وحنا عقل ما وسوى رئيس كور إنه يقول دكتور أو قيل الصه ووري وايكم صدي ووري أما العقد يسيء أما وديك والله وايكم صدنا إياها